Do you want to learn about blockchain basics and its technical aspects? In this video, I will break down the tricky part of the blockchain technology, showing why it's popular and how it could change the digital world. By the end, you will learn a lot about blockchain. Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to the Otago channel. Come with me as we look into the interesting world of blockchain technology. We will make the basics clear and show important uses. So get ready to find out the special thing about this changing tech. Alright, let's kick things off with a simple analogy. Picture a ledger, like a massive digital book where all data is stored. Each page of this ledger is a block of data, and within these blocks, you've got tiny piece of data known as transactions. These blocks or pages are super secure, tightly locked together using cryptography, creating an unbreakable chain. But here's the game changer. It's not under control of a single person or entity. Instead, it's powered by a global network of computers. It means top-notch security, complete transparency, and a whole new level of trust for applications. Furthermore, blockchain's transparency means that anyone can verify these transactions, adding an extra layer of trust. This transparency is valuable in fields like supply chain management, where you can trace the entire journey of products from their origin to your hands, guaranteeing their authenticity and safety. So, whether you are in finance, supply chain, or any other industry, blockchains offer an ultra-secure, tamper-resistant way to record and verify various transactions. Now let's delve into one of the fundamental principles of blockchain: decentralization. Unlike traditional systems controlled by a single authority, blockchain is a masterpiece of decentralization. It's like a digital democracy, a global community where everyone contributes and no single point of vulnerability exists. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to commit fraud or tamper with the data. Imagine having a system so robust that manipulating it would require consents of thousands of participants simultaneously. That's the power of decentralization in blockchain. It ensures the integrity and trustworthiness of data on a collaborative global scale. In terms of security, how does blockchain manage to keep transactions transparent, yet ensure personal information remain private? The answer lies in sophisticated cryptography. Each transaction on blockchain is encrypted, making the detail visible but keeping the identities of those involved a secret. Technically, blockchain leverages advanced cryptographic techniques, including public and private keys, for encrypting and decrypting information. This setup allows only authorized individuals to access certain details, while the general data ledger remains open for public verification. The transparency offered by blockchain is revolutionary, especially for supply chain. It enables precise tracking of product journey from origin to your doorstep. The transparent ledger means every step of supply chain is documented and accessible, transforming industries that depend on authenticity and verification. Regarding security, changing a single block is like trying to move a single piece of a puzzle without affecting the whole picture. Practically impossible. This is due to the Merkle tree structure, which ensures any change in one block would require adjustment throughout the entire chain, upholding the rigorous security of the blockchain. So what is the bottom line? Blockchain is only beginning to unveil its potential, promising to redefine industries and secure our digital future. If you are as passionate about technology as I am, please like this video and subscribe to the Otago channel for the latest tech insight and join our exploration of cutting-edge technologies. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Until our next exploration, keep learning, stay curious, and stay ahead. I'm Ali from the Otago channel. Share this video with friends interested in blockchain and let's keep spreading knowledge together.